Hi, welcome to the All Season Anglers YouTube channel. We're at that stage in every fisherman's YouTube channel where I'm gonna have to post the dreaded blanks video. I've been out for the last 4 weeks and have blanked spectacularly over that period. I put it down to weather and water levels, and probably down to my skills as an angler as well. But I thought I'd put this out. This is of a perch jigging session that I did recently. At the beginning of the video, you'll see me tying up the perch jigs that I was using during the video as well. But it is that fishing, not catching scenario. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you on the bank. Morning, you join me today for some bit of urban ultralight fishing, for ultimately looking for perch. As you had seen earlier in the video, I tied a couple of jig perch flies up, which we'll be trying today as well. The colour is very coloured. We've had a lot of rain, but we're going to persevere. We've got a lot of different lures we can use, and hopefully next time we speak I'll have a fish on the bank. Tie on my other jig fly that I made yesterday. I just really would like to catch something on one of the jig flies. must be probably one of the messiest jig flies you'll ever see, but I'm sure the perch don't care. Get it in the water, see what it actually looks like. So we're now at the second spot. Just a tiny little stream, really. Saying that, it's massively up and coloured again because of all the rain and that we've had. But we'll try here for half an hour, chuck a couple of cranks and some of the jig flies, and just see if we can find a perch under this tunnel. So we're now down to the last few casts. I've put my jig fly back on. I just feel that it's got as good a chance as anything else to catch.